Anytime now. And the race is on. More from the outside. Morning na Sir Danori inside His Majesty. Karma racing by Daryl and Matini Idol is running at the tail of the field. Morning na Sir by ahead. More is on the outside. And rounding the far turn. Morning na Sir by half a length followed by more in second. And racing in third is His Majesty Matini Idol Karma. Another far turn. Morning na Sir by half a length. More on the outside. His Majesty Matini Idol as they race the final corner. Morning na Sir more on the outside. His Majesty and Matini Idol Karma. His Majesty and Morning na Sir more on the outside. Matini Idol. His Majesty Morning na Sir Matini Idol Tukmo. And finally His Majesty Morning na Sir Close Karma. Matini Idol for third and fourth. Then comes Tukmo.
Okay, 3-2.